Caroline Berger, and I'm Engineer 4 for the City of Madison Storm Sewer Section. We are at the end of Waite Circle by the Southwest Bike Path. In 2016-2017, the culvert under the bike path failed, and the city did an emergency slip line. The city, after a lot of discussion, chose to reconstruct the culvert, put it back to what it was, and also provided a possible enhancement should they need to make it even a little bit larger. I was basically the go-between with the design consultant, with the contractor, with engineering, made sure we got all the permits, all the board approvals. Basically from the start to the finish, I was responsible for making sure it happened. I don't know, there's just something about seeing a design on a piece of paper come to life with an excavator out in the field, or a backhoe, or a crane, or it's just something about seeing something you thought of or are managing come to life in 3D. So I grew up in Superior, Wisconsin, and in high school I was kind of drawn to the math and the sciences, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew that I needed to go to college and get a good job because that's what my mom told me to do ever since I was old enough to remember. So I asked my favorite biology teacher what a major was where I could use math and science and help clean up the lakes and rivers. And he said environmental engineering. I was like, okay, that sounds good. And so then I was looking around for engineering schools, and UW-Madison was right down the road. So I ended up going to UW-Madison, and through my college career, I kind of went in and out of, I started in environmental, but then I realized I really like construction. So I got my master's in construction management. Then once I got my full-time job as a consultant in as a water resource engineer, then I took some water resource courses to get a little more of the higher education for that. I want to succeed. I want to do a good job for who I'm working for, and also for myself. I want to have a solid professional career. I've been told, oh, that's just the way they talk. But I mean, in general, I've been really fortunate that anybody that I've worked with has been really supportive of being a woman in engineering and in construction. But if you have the skills and the desire to work in a construction-related field, they're out there. You can be an engineering consultant, where you go in the field and do a lot of inspection. So you're kind of the go-between with the engineering company and the contractor. You could work for a municipality. The City of Madison has a wonderful Aspire intern program. And then construction companies all have needs for interns. There are definitely ways to kind of experience the construction industry and see if it's for you. I think women are getting there. I think the younger generation, I have a daughter, and she does not seem to be at all inhibited by what's quote unquote for a man versus a woman. So I have high hopes that my generation kind of helped continue to pave the path for the next generations where there will be equality.